What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a get ready with me wig install and makeup. Let's go. Before we get in the video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I'm going to be doing my makeup first. So we're starting off with this Kimuse primer I got off of Amazon. This is going to be my first time using it, and I'm super excited to see how it works. I could not get it to focus all the way, but I'll be sure to make sure I link it in the description box for you guys in my Amazon storefront. Quick disclaimer, you guys, I am not a makeup artist, so no, I do not know what I'm doing. I just do what works for me or what I see on the little videos I be watching on TikTok or YouTube. So don't be coming for me in the comments. If you have any tips or suggestions, I am open to them. Put me on to some of your favorite products. I love to shop affordable products, so a lot of my products are from Amazon or the drugstore. But I am open to stepping my game up a little bit. If you have any products you think will work better for me, just let me know. So far, I'm really liking the primer stick. It was really easy to put on and really smooth. It made it easier for me to like smooth it out, if you know what I mean. But yeah, so next I'm going to just be doing my eyebrows. Again, I'm not a makeup artist. I just do what works for me. So don't come for me, you guys. And my eyebrows in this video did not even come out that good. Honestly, I could have done better. It is what it is. I still looked at real cute in the end, and y'all will see that. Just keep watching. I really need y'all help when it comes to concealer. Like, am I supposed to be outlining my eyebrows with the concealer that's closer to my skin tone, or is it supposed to be a lighter shade? Also, what's a good concealer? Like I said before, I usually use like drugstore or Amazon products. I'm sure there's some other ones out there, you know, that blend better. Y'all. Like, I'm really trying to learn. Y'all probably wondering, what did I just put around my damn mouth? But I'm covering like my little mustache or whatever, and I saw somebody say like if you like put like a lighter concealer or whatever around, or like a red as a corrector, that it will like remove and make it less harsh looking. So that's what I was trying to do, and I don't really know if I did it or not, but stay tuned and I guess we'll find out, because that's what I saw on YouTube University, and I hope they ain't lie and have me on here looking like a goofy, because that's embarrassing. As you can see, I'm doing like my little highlighted areas, and I used a lighter concealer this time when I really should have used the one that I used around my eyebrows, because I feel like this one was just too bright. But I think I was able to make it work, so I think that was like Tarte or something. Yeah, probably should have got a different shade for that. Like, it's so bright, y'all. But isn't that how it's supposed to be? Like, those highlighted areas are supposed to like stand out a lot or something. I don't know, y'all. Teach me, please. Just teach me. Am I the only one, or is it just like when you're doing your makeup directly in front of the mirror, you still feel so far away that you have to use an even closer mirror? Let me know in the comments if this is you, because this is me, and I always have to have my little handy mirror where I can have it directly in front of my face. Like, I'm not blind or anything. I have my contacts in, so I don't know why I'm like this, but it's fairly annoying, and I know it might be annoying for y'all to watch me have this mirror in my face the whole entire video, but I tried to like not do it too much, y'all. So I'll do a better video next time, but this is why I'm holding the mirror to my face, because it's so hard for me to see myself even when I'm sitting directly in front of the mirror. It's crazy, I know. I know. When it comes to the powder, y'all, am I supposed to put it on there and like tap it in, or am I supposed to just like loosely put it on there and swipe it away after a little while? I kind of did both because I wasn't sure what I was supposed to do, and I feel like that's why like it was harder to like brush it off a little bit. Like, you see how bright under my eyes are? I really hope y'all help me out a little bit in the comments, because your girl is struggling. Like, makeup shouldn't be hard, should it? Like, it's supposed to be like easy and fun. Am I supposed to put lip liner above my lip line or under or on? Yeah, above or on the lip line? Or like, does it just depend on how plump you want your lips to look? Because I did on at first, and then I was like, oh no, like, I feel like I want my lips to, pop a little bit more. So I kind of went above. Like, is that a thing? Like, is that what we supposed to do? All right, y'all, we finna get into this install with this wig I got from WavyMy on Amazon. They sent me some lashes and a wig cap. And yeah, this is me with a wig cap on. Not that wig cap, but a wig cap. And we finna get into it and see if I can, slay and lay this thing. Because Amazon be having some decent little wigs, and I'm trying to see what this one hitting on. I already bleached my knots, and I already plucked the front hairline of the wig to make it a little bit more thin, because it was super thick, which some of y'all might like, but personally, like, I like mine to be a little bit thinner than what it was. So that's what I did before this video. And yeah, now you just see me cutting my ears out. I just moved, y'all, so I don't have everything that I needed to do this wig, like my lace glue and stuff. Like I told y'all earlier, I am not a professional. This is just how I do what I'm doing. If you have your own way, or if you have any tips, I am open to them. But don't come in the comments talking crap about how I'm doing this or that, because I told y'all this is how I do it, and I'm not a professional. Period. Just a little heads up, y'all. I'm going to be attempting to curl my hair, and I don't know anything about curling hair, so I don't know what direction I'm supposed to curl in or away from. So I'm just curling and going with whatever flow comes to me, and we just gonna rock with however it come out, because I don't be knowing what I'm doing. I know y'all see this unit giving scalp already, and I have not done anything to it. That's just the wig after I bleached the knot. So y'all tell me what y'all think, because right now it's fire. Like, I'm loving it. I might not even put no makeup on it. I already know y'all gonna want the details on this hair or wig or whatever, so I'm going to put it in my description box for y'all. It's going to be under my Amazon storefront. And yeah, so make sure y'all go shop this wig. I'll be back to do an update on y'all on how long it lasts and like an actual review rating. But right now it's given, so like, I don't remember how much I paid for it, but I don't think it costed no more than like $80. And it's a 22-inch loose wave, I believe, from WavyMy. I'm gonna just put it in the description box for y'all, because I really don't remember all the details. But yeah, it's really giving like scalp, is it not? How do y'all like to wear y'all baby hairs? Y'all like the subtle look, dramatic, or no baby hair look? Personally, I can't do the no baby hairs. I gotta have a little something there. And I don't like over dramatic baby hairs on myself, but some of y'all girls be killing it. Like, I be so shocked, because it's really hard to pull off dramatic baby hairs, in my opinion. But yeah, see, look, y'all, I don't know what direction to curl this hair, and I'm just curling and curling and curling until I finish, because it was late. I got tired. I started getting lazy, and I ain't had time to figure it out, so I just went with what worked, like I always do. I think it's time for me to get a new hot comb. This one isn't getting as hot as it used to. It's pretty old. Like, I took this hot comb from my mama some years ago. So point me into the direction of a good hot comb that gets hot and that will last a few years or so, because I need a new one. What do y'all be using when y'all lay out edges? Like, I don't like the whole like stuck to my face type of look, and I don't like the overly fluffy look. I like it kind of like in the middle, if y'all know what I mean. All right, y'all, that's it for this video. Here is the final look. It came out so cute. It looks really like, y'all, I'm so satisfied with what I have done with this wig and my makeup, because it took me some time, but we got there. And yeah, your girl is happy. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all soon.